Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake of mango, updated. Start by softening cream cheese at room temperature and pureeing ripe mangoes until smooth. Then measure ingredients precisely and preheat the oven to ensure steady baking temperatures for a creamy finish. Combine cream cheese, mango puree, and sugar in a bowl, mixing until smooth and uniform. Then add eggs one at a time and incorporate gently to avoid overmixing, which can cause cracks, and finish with a touch of vanilla for balanced flavor and sweetness. Place the filled pan inside a larger pan with hot water reaching halfway up the sides. Bake until the center slightly jiggles, then cool on the counter briefly and transfer to the fridge. Slow cooling prevents cracks, helps texture set, and allows flavors to meld for a silky cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.